everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'll be taking you how to convert a cut together with sleeve to an attachable sleeve. You can see this is cut together with sleeve, you can see it. So I want to cut out this now, then we're going to attach it to have a shoulder and armhole with this. So the first thing you're going to do is to turn it to the wrong side. So after turning it to the one side like this, the next thing you're going to take is to take the shoulder measurement, the actual shoulder measurement from the center of back and front. So you have to determine that from the neckline you have already cut out, which is 8 inches. That's 16 inches for the shoulder measurement, but I'll be adding ½ inch to it for the seam allowance. So this is where it is now, you can see. So after taking the shoulder, I'll be taking my, we've took the shoulder, we're not going to lose it. We're using the same shoulder measurement that we've taken here. So from here, I'm going to take the armhole measurement of 8 inches also. You can see where it is. From this armhole measurement, I'll be taking my bust measurement of 42 inches. This is my bust measurement of 42 inches. You can see it here. I'll be adding 1 inch to it for the seam allowance. Then I'm going to make use of my armhole curl to take the armhole out. You can see now. Then from here, so this is what we are going to cut out. Then from here, I'm going to blend it in to the main measurement like this. To the main measurement, you can see now. So then I cannot cut out. You can see to the armhole, then to the length. So this is now the armhole with the bust measurement. It's a free dress. We don't need a waist measurement. We're still using the actual measurement that was here before. So how can you now go about this for the armhole? So what you have to do here, just have to come in like this, just slant it down a little bit like this. You can see the way I slant it out. Then yes, you can see the shape now. You can see what we just cut out from here to bring out the perfect armhole shape. And for you to perfect it, you can as well trim it a little bit just to bring out the shape. You can see what we cut out from the sleeve. It's not going to affect the length of the sleeve at all. So what you just have to do is just to join this to this and give you the dress back. So let me go and do that and show it to you. Welcome back. Here the finished work. This is after joining the sleeve back to the armhole. You can see it. So if you're watching me for the first time, you're in the right space to be sure to subscribe to my channel and also on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any other tutorial, you'll be notified. See my next class. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.